Hey Bike Florida, this is Joy Hancock, your 2018 Sand and Stars Spring Tour Ride Director, as well as Bike Florida's Executive Director. And I am here today to tell you about our upcoming 2018 Spring Tour, which is March 17th through the 23rd. And we are staying in the lovely towns of Edgewater and Titusville. And we are just so excited about what's coming up for you. It's just going to be an amazing week. And as we have all been experiencing this winter, it's been a brutal, brutal cold winter. Even in Florida, we've had a few cold days. Well, we are already thawed out. Sunshine is back. It's warm. We are laying out by the beach. We're getting our suntan. And we just want to share this amazing weather with you. So I know that the horrible, horrible cold weather and snow and ice is still with a lot of you. And so if you are looking for a place to be able to get on your bicycle and ride without having to bundle up and worry about hypothermia, come to Florida in March and ride with us. It's going to be tons of sunshine and warm weather, as well as a lot of really, really beautiful rural countryside Florida riding. We start off in Edgewater, and we are there from the 17th through the morning of the 20th. We have been invited by and are being hosted by the City of Edgewater, as well as the local Volusia County YMCA. And we have this massive, massive park where we're going to be having our entertainment and also having our camping. And we just have so many fun activities at the campsite scheduled for you every day. There are going to be lawn games such as bocce ball and ladder golf, and cornhole. We have nightly entertainment, so we're bringing back Little Jake and the Soul Searchers. We're bringing a new act called the Margarita Boys, and we are also going to have the BMX Trick Stars perform. We're inviting all the local kids involved with the Y and with the local community to come and be part of that BMX show with us, and it's just going to be awesome. And then, as we had last year, we will have our free beer for all of you that are 21 and over, as well as some wine and other snacks. So it's just going to be a great time in Edgewater. There are just some beautiful places to ride, and as the name suggests, we are on the edge of the water. So we'll be also going to a great town called New Smyrna Beach, where there's just beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean. And then one of the highlights is we'll be riding up through the Cape Canaveral National Seashore. So it's just going to be tons and tons of fun. Titusville is in Brevard County, and Brevard County is one of our hosts for this event, as well as the city of Titusville. And Brevard County's slogan is "Launch from Here," because we are right across the water from the NASA launch pad. And if we are lucky, there might actually be a launch that takes place while we are camping there. And we can actually see a launch from our campsite, which would be very cool. And speaking of our campsite, we are staying at the stunning Sandpoint Park, which is right on the water. It's very close to downtown Titusville. And there, just like in Edgewater, we've got tons of room. There's lots of shade. There's even a splash park. And we will have the same sorts of things going on. We're going to have the lawn games. We're going to have the beer tent. We're going to have some great entertainment. And the last night of our stay in Titusville, we are bringing back the talent show. This time we're going to be inside of a local theater that the city of Titusville is lending to us, and some local officials are going to be the judges, and it's going to be a fantastic evening. We are also going to be having an ugly jersey contest, which we'll tell you a bit more later. And then, of course, off the campsite, there is just some incredible riding. And it's we're taking you inland, we're taking you on the coast. You are just going to see some of the best that Florida has to offer, and we are just so excited. So if you want to know all of the details and find out more and what we've got regarding food, accommodation options, shuttle options, all of that fun stuff, go to our website. It's www.bikeflorida.org. And that website has an absolute plethora of information. So there's, so just take your time to go through it and read all about everything that we've got going on. It's www.bikeflorida.org. If you have any particular questions, you can feel free to email me at info@bikeflorida.org, and either myself or one of our team will get back to you and answer your questions as soon as possible. So thank you for considering coming to Florida in March. Remember that we already have the sunshine, we've already got the warm weather. This is the perfect place for you to stretch out those bike legs, to feel some nice warm sun on your skin, and to have this ride be the start to an incredible riding season that will go through the rest of the year. So go to our website and sign up today.